DIY tool time. So I'm trying to pull the idler gear, drop gear bearing out. I've removed the cage and all the ball bearings, and I think I might have made my own blind puller. This is an M10, if I get focus on here, it's an M10 coach bolt, and I've also got a conical spring washer. I've cut a groove in it, so in theory I should be able to gradually knock the spring washer in, but then as I pull it with a socket over the top and a nut, it should be then too big to come back out again. We'll see whether it works. Okay, I had to cut it a fair bit further in, but it's in. Hopefully the square inside will then open that back out as I pull it out. We'll see whether it works. Attempt number 2. I've now wound a nut down to open out this into the threads, so another washer on it, and we'll see what this does. The last one just pulled straight out. Trial and error, get there in the end. By Joe, I think I've done it. Attempt number 2. Obviously a couple of washers on the top to help it spin. Wound it up. There we have the coach bolt, and the bearing race has been removed. Just in case no one wants to see, I'll just I can balance this on my leg. There you go. Yeah, I'm proper prepared for this evening, aren't I? Okay. There's no real reason behind using the big nut. It was just a case of that's the first thing I picked up that was M10. All the washers off, bearing race out. There you have, if you can see in there, it's opened up nicely against that edge. It hasn't concaved too bad either. You can see in there. Shall undo this now? Put it back to the, might take a bit of a knock to get it to separate. There we go. That loose again, I shall pull that back out of there. Job's a good one. Woohoo!